Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to use the memory monitor to isolate processes that may cause a memory leak of some sort. So the memory monitor should appear in your developer tools, but if it doesn't, it's very easy to include. Just take the memory monitor file, we'll send it to you in an email if you need it, and place it inside ENV, Utilities. I'll place it over here, and I'll add it to my code. I'll say show all files and say include in project. Great, so now I have the memory monitor. Now if I want to load it on demand, I will add it to the developer tools menu. I just go to the application NBI and go to developer tools, go to drop down items, add a new item, call it memory monitor, and push it up a bit just for my fun. And when I click it, yes, options, context menu, developer tools, memory monitor, I write env.utilities.memorymonitor.run. Now what the memory monitor tool does is monitor some important parameters about memory that help us understand what is going on. So when I run the memory monitor, I'll get this chart that shows me where we stand right now. We can see here how much managed memory is used, which is the .NET memory, how much private working set, how many handles are held, working set and peak working set. Okay. At any point in time, I can set it as a baseline, and then the delta will be calculated according to it. Now, a process that works properly may rise in memory for the first time that it's being called, but then when it's being recalled again and again and again, will maintain a similar height of memory. So if I go to Programs, Orders, we can see that the memory spiked a bit. Okay, and we'll close it. We can see that some memory still spiked, and that's okay. It's supposed to be like that. But if I set this as the new baseline, and I'll go again, open orders, we can see another small spike, and when I'll close it, we can see that it's dropping, okay? According to the rules of garbage collection and memory collection or whatever. Now if I repeat the operations many times, okay, we can see that the memory is relatively stable. It's going up, going down, but relatively stable in the way it operates. Now the reason it's not completely linear is because .NET has garbage collectors and all of those stuff that manage things according to their priorities, not necessarily according to our priorities. But what you're looking for in the case of a memory leak is a spike that goes up and doesn't go down. Let's go and create a memory leak to simulate that. So we'll go over to the show order class, okay, and create a static list over here. Static system collection array list, okay, and whenever it is run, we'll add this to that list. Now because the list is static, obviously the memory will be held forever. Let's see how that operates with the memory monitor. So we're going to run our code, we're going to run the memory monitor, we're going to open the program for the first time and close it, set our baseline, okay, and we're relatively stable at the baseline, and then we can open and close it for several times. Okay, we can see here a constant rise. Okay, the managed memory has risen all the time. Okay, and we'll set it as again a new baseline, run it again. Okay, again, we can see a constant rise. Now, a rise in 1 or 2 megabytes is really neglectable. You're looking for a rise in 50, 100, 200 megabytes to make a significant impact. Okay, so this is what you need to look for when you're looking for a memory leak. Once you see such a rise, such a consistent rise that gives you more or less 100 or 200 megabytes of constant rise, then report to us how to reproduce it and we can narrow it down and solve it. Good luck!